asbestos. Oh, you're going to do this one. This is super more dangerous.
Alright, listen, Michael, now we're recording you. What have you got to say?
Well, how's your birthday to me, mate? I'll put it.
Quite smoky here, isn't it?
It's well smoky.
Yeah.
Nigel! He's gone away. Nigel!
Shh! Yeah, is it 5 meters now? Holy shit! Just look at yourself, guys! Fuck me!
Michael, man!
Whoa!
You're a dangerous fucker, man. That's right. They were coming in. Oh, no.
Look how smoke it is in here. Oh, man.
You've got better equipment. You've got something sharp,
Yeah, man.
Key, yeah?
Fingers.
Key. Is this a good idea? No, it's not. Key, yeah? Just put the lighter match and just stick it in the box.
Yeah. That's the way. What are these little round ones? I wonder what they are.
They spin round. Oh, these ones are rockets. This is dangerous shit, man. Yeah, it's really easy to use tonight, so.
Alright, man. You ready for it?
Are you lighting it in here? Nigel! Oh, do it here.
Is he?
He's hiding. Put that. No. Does it spin around?
No, man, don't do it.
In the pole. Nigel, where are you? Oh, wow. The thing's got a short circuit. Yeah, look. Has it gone up? It's going.
Where is it?
Where'd it go?
It's gone, man.
It's doing like a nice...
Well, TNT is that trinitrotoluene, isn't it? Dynamite.
Is it dynamite? You're supposed
says
to light it inside the building.
It says so, unless it's a bank.
What do I do? Get a match and light it in, and then throw it.
Holy shit, we're going to show it to our grandchildren. Go ahead, man. Oh, Michael, don't be fucking hell. He's going to melt that plastic seat.
I'm not. It's okay. The fountain. That's what it does.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Fucking hell, Michael, man.
Put it on somebody's grave or something.
It's going to go up. Well, it doesn't do.
Yeah, nice one. I like it.
Nigel, come and look at it. It's going to go bang.
Nice.